Hi everyone, welcome to Maco Yuh Kitchen. In this new series, you can share your recipes, vlogs of your daily life, and anything that involves food or culture. And it doesn't have to be limited to Trinidad and Tobago. You can send videos from wherever in the world you are. Let the Taste of Trini family get a sneak peek into your life and Maco Yuh Kitchen. So I'm so excited to start this new series. Make sure you email all your videos to me at spoonfuloftrini@gmail.com. I will do all the editing. And you don't have to show your face in these videos, but talking is recommended. So start sending those videos ASAP. I can't wait to see them. Let's build our Taste of Trini family even stronger. So if you like this idea, leave all your comments below. Give the video a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that bell next to the subscribe button so you won't miss any videos. Thank you so much to everyone for sending your Maco Yuh Kitchen videos this week. I really appreciate it.
Hi Taste of Trini family. Tonight I'm going to be baking coconut macaroons. For this recipe, you'll need 4 large egg whites, a cup of granulated sugar, and half a teaspoon of cream of tartar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, half teaspoon of almond extract, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You'll also need 3.5 cups of sweetened shredded coconut. If you can't find flaked coconut, you can use the shredded coconut, it's just as good. Half a cup of all-purpose flour sifted, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, and a 1/4 cup of condensed milk. This is optional, but it helps enhance the flavor of the coconut macaroons. So why don't you come Maco my kitchen and I'll show you guys a picture of it when it's done.
so much to everyone who sent in your videos and made our first episode of Maco Yuh Kitchen such a success. Thank you so much to my sister Anandi for sending her video, to Kelsey, to Kava in Colorado, to Sleeping Beauty in Boston, to Arjun in Trinidad and Tobago, and to Amy and her family for sharing their traditions of making zongzi. And I also included a few clips of me cooking with my mom in Trinidad. So if you like the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave all your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And you can also email me at spoonfuloftrini if you want to send in your videos for Maco Yuh Kitchen. So if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and you hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you won't miss any videos. Until I see you all in my next one, bye!